it on my hair. I'm really excited. Girl, excited. I'm ready. Ready to have a nice hairstyle and just gonna make one more Tik Tok, take one more selfie, and pics and all these things. Okay, so don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Let's jump straight into this video. Okay, so let me show you the pack of hair that I'll be using. So this is a pre-stretched hair by the Janet collection, and it is in the color 1B. So I bought 2 packs of these, and I think 2 packs can do my hair. So I already went ahead and put my hair straight down the middle. Show you the back. And I did stretch my hair. Now my hair is very thick, so in order for my hair to be looking really laid and cute and all of these things, I had to stretch my hair. I had to. So I'm going to be starting on this side first. So let's begin. Don't forget to subscribe, guys. Okay, so I am going to be going in with my Eco Style gel, and I'm going to be gelling down my hair. Should separate the hair, and each time you're separating, you just make it a little bigger. So my hair is already thick, so when I'm starting off the braid, I'm just going to be using little pieces, and then once I reach down to the end, I'm going to be adding like thicker pieces. Trying to grip the hair very tight. Okay, now I'm gonna grab another piece. want to braid very tight. If this side wants some hair. Hey guys, so this is the hair. I'm also gonna be using some Argan oil on my hair. You want your hair to look shiny when it just do. So, going in with my gel. And I'm just going to be gelling down certain areas. You want to make sure that all of the hair is going in. Okay, so now to do my edges. Hairstyle not complete without edges. So. Okay, so I've also plaited the ends of the hair just in case you're not into the curls at the end. You can just simply plait the hair all the way down, as you can see. So the pre-stretch hair really is good, especially if you're doing it for the first time or you're doing it at home. It is really easy, and my edges are still laid down from my got to be glue. So yeah, this is it. So you can do it two ways. You can add the curls on the ends, or you can just simply braid them all the way down. Guys, thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to your girl's channel. I got many more videos coming. I post videos every single Friday, so make sure you be on the lookout and subscribe. Tell a friend and tell a friend. Share around the video. You know, make everybody jump on board and, you know, be a part of my family, my YouTube family. So thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in my next video because I post every single Friday. Bye guys.